So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix allow access to microphone missing. So first of all, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here scroll down and then tap on screen time. Now scroll down and then tap on this option. Now here you will see various options like location services, contacts, calendars, reminders, photos, etc. So what you have to do is turn off this toggle. And this will fix the issue. In case the issue is still not fixed, then go back again. Now here tap on privacy and security. Now scroll down and here tap on microphone. Now here you will see all the apps that can access microphone. And as you can see here, the access currently is disabled. So you will have to manually give microphone access to these apps. For this, enable the toggle next to them, like this. And this will enable microphone for all these apps. Now this should fix the issue for you. But in case the issue is still not resolved, then go back to home screen. And now force restart your iPhone. For this, press the volume up button and then press volume down button and then press and hold this power button. Like this. Now keep holding the power button and don't release until you see Apple logo. Release the button once you see this Apple logo. Now once your phone restarts, unlock it. And now this will fix the issue. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.